It's 2026, and you're still manually entering data? Watch this. Messy receipts, instant expense report. Today, I'm showing you how AI for Sheets transforms chaos into clarity in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Step 1. Build your structure. Forget manually formatting columns. We're using the Sheet agent to do it for us. Here's what you do. Go to Extensions, AI for Sheets, then Sheet Agent. Click the Add File button and select one receipt file. Now type this prompt. Create a receipt OCR template with headers for vendor, date, total, and currency in columns. Hit Enter. Look at that professional formatting. We didn't lift a finger. Template, done. Step 2. The game changer. I've got 11 receipts here. Watch how fast this goes. Type Vision A1E3. The AI is literally looking at your receipt and reading it like a human would. Now watch this. I'm dragging this formula across all 10 receipts. And done! Every vendor, date, and total extracted in seconds. Step 3. Get smart insights. Now let's actually understand our spending. No pivot tables, no complex formulas. Just ask. Question 1. Which vendor did I spend the most at this month? Whole Foods Market. Look at that. The AI found 2 separate receipts and added them up automatically. Question 2. What's my total spending in the travel category? Notice we never added a category column? The AI figured it out anyway. It grouped Shell gas station and Uber together as travel and gave us the total. Question 3. Summarize my spending by category in chat. And now it's building us a complete breakdown, all categorized and calculated automatically. It's like having a personal accountant inside your spreadsheet. This is what 2026 looks like. Stop working like it's 2016. Ready to save hours every week? Install AI for Sheets from the link in my description. If this blew your mind, smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI productivity hacks that actually save you time. Drop a comment. What's your biggest spreadsheet pain point? See you in the next one.